everyone, welcome to Key Power Live Show. This is Sophie. Key Power is the professional manufacturer of generator, load banks, and water pump for more than 20 years. And we have shown you many types of silent type generator. Today, I will show you another type generator, open type. Do you know the basic configuration of the open type generator? In my opinion, the open type generator have 5 key components, key parts. The first one is engine, alternator, and the radiator, and the electric system. And last one is the fuel supply system. And today, I will show you our samples, 1,500 kVA standby generator, and this one. And have a look of the surface of this open type generator. This generator is standby generator. The output is 1,500 kVA and 60 Hz, and the voltage is 400 volt. And this engine is Cummins engine. Yeah, the model of the Cummins is KTA 5033. This one. And this engine with 16 cylinders. It is V type. Yeah. Yeah. This generator is the power is pretty big, so the starter is also a little different. Usually they only have one starter motor, but this one have 2. These 2, okay, these 2 alternator, these 2 motors work together to start up the engine, not one for standby. They are work together, so they need bigger power. So we have 4 pieces of the battery for this generator, and the brand of the battery we used is Volta Germany brand. Yeah, this one is the oiled filler. The lubricating oil will put from this access entrance, and this is the oiled filler. Yeah. If the generator running for 300 hours, we need to replace the oil. At most, the generator need to replace the oil is 500 hours. It is the same as car. We can use this pump. This oil pump is manual to change the oil. Yeah. And this is the radiator of this generator. The radiator we used is top 1 brand in China. It is Baywater BWD, and maybe most customer had familiar with this brand. And this radiator is made up of 100% copper. The advantage of the 100% copper radiator, I summarized into features. The first one, the radiator. If the radiator gets broken, the copper radiator can be welded, and it is easy for repair, and you can save the cost. And the second one, the heat dissipation of the copper radiator is much better than other one, like the aluminum radiator. Of course, this one is more costly. And you find that all the moving parts, the radiator is protected well by this metal screening. And this one is the battery charger alternator. We also protect it. Use the metal screening. Yeah. Now, Another important part is the fuel supply system. Usually for the so big power generator, the fuel tank is extended fuel tank. But this one is customized, it's different. Have you found the fuel tanks? 扫一下一整圈。Yeah, okay. This is a special design. The fuel tank is at the base. It is also worked as the chassis, the base frame. The fuel tank the capacity of this fuel tank can reach 1,000 liters. This fuel tank is made up of the square tube. Yeah, you can have a look. Square tube. The four corners is very smooth, do not have welding it, so it can avoid the risk to reduce the risk of the linkage. Just the welding at this side. Yeah, this square tube is made by integrated technology. It is molded in one, so it is very durable. Yeah, and the thickness of this wall can reach the 8 millimeter. Yeah, 8 millimeter. These have the two discharge oil output. If you need clean the fuel tank, you can open it at these two sides. Yeah. As I told you that this is not only the fuel tank, this is also the chassis, the base frame of this generator. So we welding the lifting point at these four corners, this one and that one, and at the opposite side also have these two lifting points. The thickness of the lifting point can reach the 15 millimeter. Yeah, it is very, very strong. And now we move to the fuel supply system. Here is the fuel filler. Yeah, you can add the fuel from here. It is a humanized design. You no need to close down to add it. You just can open it. Yeah, it is a humanized design. And nearby the fuel filler, this one is the gauge to show the fuel level. Also, this data will show on the control panel, but you can check it at the side. And this generator, the control system is separated from the generator. This is for telecom and built and installed in the underground. So this gate installed here, and this is the breathing of the fuel tank. Breathing of the fuel tank. Yeah, if you do the cleaning of the fuel tank, you also can open it. Yeah, and this one is the diesel fuel filter. Yeah, and this pipe we used is high quality. It is high pressure pipe. You can see the maximum of pressure this pipe can bear is 1,520 psi. It is a special design. The valve equipped with this pipe is special. We customize it from professional suppliers. Yeah. Before, our customer told me that this because the bad quality of the oil pipe, it is get broken when the generator is running. It is very dangerous. So all these key components we use the high quality. This tool is the oil water separator. Yeah, for the power runs from KTA 38, we will equip it for standard configuration. And these two work together to supply the fuel to the engine, so make it more efficient. And this one is maybe some customer no need this one because this one is just for the some area the fuel is not pure enough, so they will drain out the water from the filler. Yeah. Okay. Now I will show you another part, important part. This is alternator. This alternator is original blend, original Stanford. Yeah. Yeah. Cummins and Stanford all receive the high reputation and acceptance in the market, and the quality is really also very good. So this customer also choose the Cummins equipped with the Stanford. And Stanford alternator, this one our customer need install the generator under the ground, so they separate the control panel with the generator, and here is the cable connection box. Yeah, all the cable connection terminal is turned to this box. This one have two advantages. The first one, this space is big enough to contact the cable, so make the operate the installation more easier, more convenient. And the second one, all the nuts and screws move out of the alternator, so it can avoid the bolt and the screw fall into the alternator to cause any problem. So this is also good. And at this side, there's a heavy duty connection, a socket, this one socket. All the signals and alarm are integrated in this socket, and this socket will connect to the control system. And now I will show you this control system cabinet. Yeah, this is pretty big and pretty tall. Yeah. This is the, okay, take a close look, this one. Yeah. This is the controller. This is track blend, COMAP, AMF 25. Yeah. This is the emergency. It is easy to access. If something accident happen, you can shut down the generator directly. And this one is the switch and indicator. This switch is to choose the manual operation and automatic operation. If you use the manual, you need switch on the circuit breaker here by this button, and this indicator will light up. And switch, if you need shut down the generator, you need press the switch off. Yeah, by manual. Yeah. Now this operator panel is operation control panel is very simple. You can see at the top there are 3 meters at the top. 3 meters. This is 3 meters shows the voltage and the frequency and the ampere of the generator. It is very important data for generator. Even though the controller can show these data, but you need close to this controller and check it. But this one is very convenient. You can just stay here long distance. You will observe the key running data. Yeah. Now let's have a look of inside cabinet. Yeah, this is the circuit breaker for the generator, and the current. Okay. And the rated current is 2000 ampere. It is very strong current, so it is easy to catch fire and catch the spark. This design List 1, do you know what's this? This is a arc extinguisher. It is for put out the fire, put out the spark. Yeah. And this is the terminals. This terminal is Germany brand Phoenix. Yeah. After many years market test, the quality is very durable and reliable. This is a fuse to protect. This one is the fuse. This one is a fuse to protect the controller. Yeah. This one is the electric governor. This is for the engine. And if you need adjust the rotation speed of the engine, you just adjust it from here. It is convenient. And this is the smarter. This is battery charger. The blade is smarter. Okay. All the wires connection is confirmed to CE standard. Yeah. And this is the grounding link. For grounding link, each door we will link to the earth. Okay, this side. Okay. This side. This is for connect to the cable in and the power in and power out. This we extend the length of the bus bar, so easy for wire connection. Yeah. Also, I forgot to introduce our anti-vibration pads. All the anti-vibration pads we used is Pingding brand. It's a #1 brand in China, and it is very strong. And also we have marked the screw here. Yeah, if after installation and after the QC inspection, we will mark with the white line to show you that this position is the installation is finished, the screw tight. So if in the daily track, if you find this mark is out of the position, you can turn it back. Yeah. All the screws we will mark with this white line to show you it is right position. Yeah. And this generator is just finished the test. Yeah. This is a testing report. It will show the order number, the model number of the alternator, the engine, and also with the series number and the data. And this generator had finished the test last night, and totally we test this generator for 47 minutes, and from the load, and test the load at the 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, 10% overload testing. And this one had passed the testing. Yeah, it is a good one and ready for shipment and outer packing. And this one is the assembly process. And everyone process this generator, assembly this generator, they need mark the key components number and signature. And after many years later, you need to buy the spare parts from our company. We can track it. All these documents we'll keep in our documents room. And for after sales or something else, we will keep it. Yeah. Now, all the generator or key power generator have the advantage of safety and easy operation, and all the key components with high quality. So to ensure the long service life of the generator. Now, at the end of this show, this afternoon we will show you more about our other products. And see you. And thank you for watching. And thank you for your attention. Thank you. Bye.